Hey, good morning or good afternoon, whatever time of day it is, doesn't matter. Okay, I have a suggestion for product development. I don't know where to send it to, so I'm sending it to you guys. Suggestion is when I click on the Need Help button on the side, that comes out and it replaces about maybe a third of my screen. There it is. Okay, so now I can read this, or I can watch a video here. See how to import. Maybe this is a video. Nope, can't do that. Okay, so anyway, there it is. So if I'm watching a video here for 17 minutes, and I want to learn how to do something at the same time, I want to be able to do it on the other side. What I would like to see happen is that this, go there, okay, that's gone. What I would like to see happen is the part that pops out from the side is able to move to another part of my screen. So for instance, I could take my mouse and drag it straight down and just watch a small piece in the bottom. Or I can move it over a little bit, but it's locked in where it is. I use two monitors, as most people do, so I can open a brand new screen up for my to do my work and have this open on my other screen. But it would be so much more convenient if this just moved, if I was able to move this around or move it from being locked in there. That's it. You've got my opinion. Use it well.